If you teach online, one of the most significant things that you can do is increase your presence in your course. Why? Because your presence is one of the most important factors in determining how your students feel about their learning experience and whether they are satisfied with their learning experience. So you want to use audio or video as much as possible in your course so that your students can feel that you are there and understand that you are facilitating their learning experience. As a facilitator, your job is to make learning easy or easier. So today I'm excited to share with you what I do called a looking ahead announcement slash email that my students receive on Fridays or Saturdays. I typically like to send them out on Fridays, but it just depends on what the communication has been during the week. So the looking ahead email goes out on the weekend and it gives students specific steps to follow to be successful in the next week. So let's say that there is a project due, or you're having a live session, or there's something specific that they need to do to propel them into success each week, then you want to share that in your looking ahead email. So this, I'm going to show you two different kinds. This one right here, I just created a banner in Canva, which I showed you in the last video, Canva.com. I created this banner. I used BYO audio for this player, and then I wrote specifically what they should be doing. Okay, action steps to prepare for Tuesday's session. So this particular looking ahead email was about our first session, which was going to take place on the following Tuesday. So let's see if you can hear this.
Of course, if you have any questions, please.
Let's start from the beginning.
Well, hello, FCSC 4940. Happy Saturday to you.
Okay, so in that audio, I start explaining to them what they should do, expounding on everything that I've written here. All right, so another way that I do the looking ahead is I use the Headliner app. That's headliner.app. Okay, and so I go to that site and I also make a video slash audio that goes out as an announcement. And this particular course was for the first week of class, that first weekend. I'm reminding them to complete the getting started steps, which is our course orientation. And it ends with the course orientation survey. So I'm encouraging them to focus on getting that completed. And so let's see if you can hear this.
The sooner you can get it completed, the better. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, Eagles. It is the weekend, and you may be wondering, what should I be doing this weekend to prepare for class next week?
Okay, and so then I can also the students can make this larger.
You want to go straight to the course orientation, which is under the Getting Started tab, and you want to work on every single step.
And so then we're addressing accessibility issues so they can hear and they can also see in the captions what is being said. And so I'm giving them direction. And so what am I doing? Making learning easier, because I'm specifically telling them what to do to be successful. And I know you might say, oh, they're college students. They should know we're in a different time. This is a different day. And we have to accept things the way that they are. And students are very busy people. They have so many distractions now that most of us did not have when we went to college. And so it's really helpful when you are able to help them distinguish between what's important and what's not, what they need to prioritize and what they don't need to prioritize. And a good way for you to get this information is through discovery sessions. When you meet with students one-on-one, you can find out what they struggle with and thereby support them. Or even as you notice things throughout the semester, or appointments that you have with students throughout the semester of things they're struggling with, you can address that in the following semester by being proactive instead of reactive through something as simple as a looking ahead email. So let me know in the comments if this is something that you actually use, and if not, are you interested in using it? If you like these types of tips that I'm giving you, I want to encourage you to go over here to kellyaustin.com, click this enroll button, and enroll in the FACE method. I have 5 lessons for you that you can complete in 2 weeks or less, but they are chocked full of value and strategies like this that just little tweaks in your course will make it more satisfying for you and for your students. I will see you in the next video.